University in Lynchburg, Virginia. He said he would end Obamacare and abolish the IRS, replacing it with a simple flat income tax. Later on Fox News, he said the Obama White House has projected an image of weakness around the world. The consistent pattern of the Obama-Clinton foreign policy has been abandoning our friends and allies, whether it is Israel, whether it is the UK, whether it is Canada, and coddling and appeasing our enemies. Announcing early means more attention, but that can cut both ways.
Here's what I find interesting about Ted Cruz. He was born in Canada. His father fled to the United States from Cuba. Yet Ted Cruz is against immigration. Isn't that odd?
As Republicans battled for position, Clinton sought to rebound from her personal email controversy. I am all about new beginnings. A new grandchild, another new hairstyle, a new female